Welcome back to DBL. It's a new year, which means it's time to get your act together around the house. Organizing can be very overwhelming. I'm not very good at it. So we called in the troops from major organizers here in Denver to show us how to declutter one of the toughest spots in the house, the closet. Closets. Bum, bum, bum. The bane of our existence, okay? A lot of us are trying really hard to keep them organized and it's just not working. So it's out with the old, in with the new year. We're gonna hear from Kara from Major Organizers how to tackle Operation Closet Reboot. Are you ready?
Let's go for it.
Woo!
Well, the first thing that I would want to do is just find out what the client currently liked. So figuring out first what you might want to donate or get rid of. Then secondly, I would want to find out what no longer fits. Women, we tend to fluctuate in weight. So you have one bin for clothes that no longer fit but may fit at a different date. And then another bin that will include memorabilia items. So I want to clear my floor space, whether I'm using a shoe rack or whether I'm storing, in this case, I've started storing shoes on the top shelf. We want to get everything that we can off the floor.
Kara, this is amazing. This feels clean, this feels spacious, I feel more balanced, I feel more centered, and I even found my roller skates. Yay, you wanna go disco?
Let's go.
Skate into the new year. Whee!